Hi, good evening. Welcome to Nifty post-market analysis. This is a disclaimer. So I just want to see what happened today in the market. So this is a totally Nifty market analysis. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. If you have any questions, please post all your questions in your comment box. It will be answered immediately. Now, let me start with the open interest, put call ratio. Call open interest, we see here the call open interest here, it is 17,34,356. Put open interest 8,14,818. Put call ratio is 0.47. Last Thursday it was 0.54 and today it is 0.47. The market is bleeding like anything, so there are all the chances for market to go up. It has to go up. So that's what the put call ratio indicates. So this indication is all about a rally. So next comes the chart option chain analysis. As I see here, market closed at 16,842, and we see the volumes are accumulated here 13,39,759 with an open interest of 62,277. This will act 16,500 will act as a major support for tomorrow. And here when it comes to resistance, it is 15,75,847, which is at a strike price of 17,000. So 17,000 will act as a major resistance. So we need to keep two things in mind. One is 17,000 as a resistance and 16,500 as the support. So let's see what happens in tomorrow's market. Now let's see what the weekly market says. The weekly time frame here, we see that 16,765. Whenever the market has come to 16,765, it has bounced back. 2, 3, even this also we can take it as 4, and even here 5. 5 times the market has bounced back from this range 16,765. So tomorrow, as the market has closed at 16,842, there may be little down, and what I see here is from 16,765 there should be a bounce back. Today's rally is completely news based rally. So that's the reason why there is the market came down. Now let's see what happened in what we see here in the daily time frame chart. As I told you, 17,000 as per the option chain analysis, 17,000 is the resistance. There is a strong resistance at 17,000 and a very strong support at 16,500. Very strong support and resistance. Now let's see hourly time frame. Even in hourly time frame, it's the same scenario. It is 17,000 and 16,500 and 16,765. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, the immediate support is at 16,735. So tomorrow, if market opens below 16,735, then all the chances market may bleed again. If it touches 16,735, if market comes down 16,735 and bounce back and it goes beyond 16,917, then the chances are there that market will give a good rally on bull side. So this is the scenario in 15 minutes. Now, please subscribe to this channel to get the daily updates. Thank you.